Please boycott this guy. This guy is a fraud. Cancel him.
Oh. अरे शुभम मैडम हम पीछे सो हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हम जा रहे हैं आर्ट एग्जीबिशन.
आर्ट एग्जीबिशन. ओके. हाँ, डिड यू से समथिंग?
आगे का लिरिक्स नहीं आता है सवाल.
ओके, वीडियो थोड़ी बोरिंग हो रही है. बस चलता हुआ रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. Yo, is that a building tension here? Are you guys in the closet or something? Just hop out already.
Shut up. Drum rolls. This is how it starts.
So what does this represent?
This represents loneliness.
Loneliness. इतना कुछ तो हो रहा है इसमें. Anger is more precise. This.
ये तो soft core है.
Hard अच्छी interpret क्या बोलते हैं?
Interpreted. Pitted.
Okay.
Interpret.
वो अंदर है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, मुझे यहाँ लगा होगा. Go on, record for me. So this. This looks like a movie poster. I don't remember. और ये building music कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई?
भाई मूवी का ट्रेलर बज रहा है.
See, this feels more like the loneliness you carry there.
It's Iceland. It's isolated.
This is isolation and loneliness, not that.
I'm a very bad interpreter.
हाँ भाई.
What is this? This looks like kitchen.
भाई this is just art.
This
It's not,
represents kitchen.
doesn't represent anything. मैं देखो एक पेंटिंग दिखाती हूँ. बताइए what do you feel उसमें क्या interpret क्यों बोलती हूँ मैं? Interpret क्या करता है? तेरा ही होगा.
Okay, so this. कहाँ भाई मेरा कैमरामैन कहाँ जा रहा है?
मेरा बैग पकड़ेगा तू मेरे से रिकॉर्ड करवा दे.
ये पकड़ो. एक please.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
भाई
पकड़ना यहाँ पे तेरा कैमरा पकड़ ले.
भाई तो मैं स्टार हूँ. मैं ऐसे कैसे दिखाऊंगा? इसको पकड़ाना एक क्रू है.
मेरा भाई
तब तो
जाके मुझे जिम करना पड़ता है. चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं, आप से करती हूँ. नहीं प्लीज भाई, दिस इज रॉन्ग.
This looks so unaesthetic. Okay, so this is a painting जो ऐसा लग रहा है ruin कर दी गई है. What do you think?
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग है.
What does our cameraman think? Camera woman, sorry.
She does not think.
भाई
She's high at the moment.
I think you're
This looks a bit related to
thinking too much about.
Guys, come to the main part.
Biblically accurate. Like,
I just see a lot of eyes. Okay.
what's here?
But
This looks like a TikToker. Right? Whoa. Not me, that guy. नहीं, लगने
मैं तेरी आंखें पे zoom up कर रही थी. Okay.
भाई, so real. She's so real for this.
भाई रितिका भी सेम बोल रही थी.
She's so real for this.
This is like so me. मैंने अभी snap डाली.
So real, भाई.
This is me
I mean,
after
that's creepy.
college. अंकल जी.
That's nice. जो भी निकल रहा है.
What the fuck is that?
अंकल जी पानी पिला दीजिए. मेरा गला सूख रहा है.
भाई ये तो इतनी बड़ी बोतल.
God. Oh.
हाय हाय
एक तो cringe, फिर इतना outdated.
and
It's like abuse.
Abuse.
punching bag.
Like that's how you would hold someone you like cherish a lot. Like
I'm sorry, maybe I'm.
that's how you think. That represents your thinking of life. If I would be excited to see some older lady, I'd be like, oh my god, and you're like abuse. That's the difference between us.
हाँ मैं तेरे को एक पेंटिंग दिखा रही थी चल चल
But this big short. This looks very majestic.
ये है क्या पता है तेरे को
Looks like some type of stone or something.
नो इट्स अ पॉलिथिन जिससे
Oh,
ज्वेलरी
fuck.
बाहर निकल रही है
Not bad, not bad.
भाई यू आर लुकिंग टू मच इनटू थिंग्स इतना डीप नहीं है
Because
मेरे पास काश ऐसा पंचिंग बैग रहता है like this is safe.
वही तो समीर को कर लियो
हाँ?
समीर को पंच कर लियो
God,
यस
this punching bag hits back. Lead the way. What were you
बिच
saying?
ट्राई
Huh?
आगे
Oh my God, यहाँ से मेरे को थोड़ी PTSD है. Forgive me. इस व्यू से मेरे को थोड़ी PTSD है.
क्यों भाई
थोड़ा 360 टर्न करवा के दिखाओ कैमरा को. This was where I was standing at the Mr. Pressure when we were being told that our entry song is being butchered.
And this guy ditched me
Did-
during. Yeah.
Nahin,
he,
I
He
came
was
back.
such a brat. He was such
Hi.
a brat. Everybody was saying कि ये brat है.
I
And
was-
he did very bad.
I was late, but
That's
I
why
came.
because of him our music got cut short.
मेरे वजह से नहीं था.
तेरी
मेरे वजह से नहीं
तेरी
था.
वजह से था.
She's just being a bitch, guys. I'm not like that.
भाई bitches come here
Literally हमें बताया गया था कि हमारा सॉन्ग जो है शॉर्ट हो रहा है.
अब वो कहाँ गई वो पेंटिंग
हमारी डांस बॉक्स कब हो गई?
देख ही दे कहाँ गई भाई ये
उसको
देख
नहीं आना हमारे साथ.
What do you think about this? What do you think it
Oh.
represents? It's so cool, no? This is my favorite painting.
I mean मेरे पहले आ चुके हैं. मुझे तो अलग से. Oh, that is so cool. But like this particularly. I don't know.
तू भी डम है कोई नहीं होता है डमनेस होती है लोगों में
Oh, it's a snap.
ये
It
और
looks like malnourished. That's what it represents. है ना?
Malnourished लग रहा है.
पता है what I think? This is about her insecurity, about her mood, and she's thinking about that.
Or maybe you can say कि इसकी negativity thinking है. She could think positive too.
Anyways, giraffe है आप.
This is colorful. Oh, this is a bit romantic. But this is like very good.
Bodily fluids. Looks like that.
Amoeba sometimes shit. ये बाहर की तरह है ना जैसे पिंक
Yeah.
वाला था बाहर.
Softcore aesthetic लग रहा है.
What
This
is
is
this?
like a lost map or something.
भाई treasure hunt.
Treasure hunt.
Okay. मेरे में अभी इतना दिमाग
भाई
नहीं है.
रितिका तू जा और वापस मत आ.
क्या?
तुम लोग कैसे क्यों करते हो मेरे साथ? Okay, I'm not loved, guys. Very bitchy friends.
Oh, ये थोड़ा nature थोड़ी बनी. You know what?
Seagull ये तू है.
It's a fucking animal.
It's a seagull?
लग तो रहा है.
It is an animal.
It's a rat.
It's a rat. तभी मेरे को लगा तेरे जैसा दिख रहा
But
हाँ,
seagulls don't have
obviously.
hair, no? Like bodies.
है भाई तेरे को आर्ट समझ नहीं आती भी गेट इट ठीक है
Are you the
I'm trying my
artist
best.
of like this one? Are you like the artist of this one?
Oh, both of them.
Damn.
This one is my favorite.
Yeah, me too. What do you think? मतलब क्या interpret करते हैं?
Volcanic eruption.
Science students, please don't judge. We have a very bad. No. I mean, We are bad at interpreting sometimes.
She's talking about herself. मुझे तो lava देखा. Lava and volcanic, and this is smoke all there. So yeah.
These were about I lost someone special. So this was about that. The anger and the fear, the pain of losing someone. It's the anguish. This can
Thank
do
you.
such a good job about expressing themselves. Like, so beautiful.
वो यहाँ पे पैरास लगा सकते थे वो मीन्स वाला थिंग जो नहीं आता आर्ट
Paras?
गैलरी में
नहीं लाइक पैरास होगा तो फिर तो मीनिंग तो नहीं
अबे
होगा तुम
पेंटिंग के साइड
This looks like हमारा कॉलेज के बाहर का क्या कहते हैं
अरे
उसे?
अड्डा टाइप्स अड्डा
मैगी वाला जहाँ पे.
मैगी वाला
हाँ.
पॉइंट
अबे चले अब
भाई तुम लोग देख के आए हो, मैं पहली बार आया हूँ.
भाई अब तू अपना कैमरा खुद पकड़
अबे यार ये कोई पकड़ो यार मेरा सच में हाथ दुख रहा है
Bro,
कैमरा
I'm
खुद
the
पकड़
दिस इज सो रॉन्ग
भाई. I was the main star of the show.
पकड़ी हुई हो
Okay.
हाथ में दर्द
Give this to me.
क्या बोल रही है
I was gonna give you the camera.
बोल क्या बोल
तब बिच है
बहुत बहुत बड़ा
क्या लग रहा है क्या है?
आई डोंट नो
This looks like sleeping at the park.
दिस लुक्स लाइक
Sleeping at the park.
नो लुक्स लाइक कि वो बहुत सैड है उसे कुछ दिनों से खाया नहीं शी जस्ट लाइक एंड आई एम सॉरी टेकिंग हर अवे
इट्स
Bro, that's a
लाइक
dead body then.
according to me it's like somehow she's getting done with life
या एग्जैक्टली
तुम दोनों को
I thought that.
death पे जा रहे हो तुम लोग. This is very colorful. You know what this shows? Many faces of a single person.
deceptive
This is
डिसेप्टिव हो सकते हैं लोग उसका मतलब
people like they have multiple faces, no?
Yeah.
Honest.
तुझे कितना बड़ा ब्लॉग बनाना है मिस्टर
No, मेरे पास पड़ी है 200 GB मैं रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए रखता हूँ. गेतो. This guy is an anime fan.
आई डोंट नो अबाउट एनिमे सो नो आइडिया
Like it is influenced पक्का भाई. I did a cosplay of this guy. Not
Seriously?
accurate, but I did. Okay, this is very famous. This nice, very nice. इतना अच्छा बनाया भाई ये.
फ्रॉक को एक हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं फ्रॉक
आशीष चामोला.
क्या बोलते हैं
फ्रॉक को इंग्लिश में हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं
Like, isn't this basically print
पता
out?
नहीं क्या बोलते हैं
Isn't this basically print out?
means
that
something
they
we
made
won't get it
themselves.
because we are science majors we won't
they
get
made
it
it themselves
They
by
made it. Yeah.
just because print out
Maybe digital art. Maybe art.
obviously भाई
अबे तू पकड़ बहुत हो गया तेरे
maybe that
Sage. ये कौन है? I don't know.
नारुतो
Who? That's from Dragon Ball.
जो भी है तो
Ghost Rider. Is that Angelina Jolie? I don't know. Oh, Ghost Rider. Some more Dragon Ball. Aladdin. Oh, Gojo. Daddy's home for me.
cute cute stuff
चल समीर बाय व्लॉग
Oh my god. Outro music. ये क्या है? मैंने अभी देखा. मैंने भी इतनी बड़ी ऐश किसकी है?
भाई रितिका केस भी बड़ी है
Bro, I literally मैं देख रहा हूँ.
I hate you for this
भाई तो तेरी यार
That joke has been cracked and we have already laughed.
तेरी यार की तारीफ भी तो कर रही है क्या तारीफ भी तो कर रही है यार इधर आई थोड़ी देर मतलब मोटू से तो छोटी होगी
it's so wrong I hate you guys
I'll buy you coffee then if you do a good job. Come on.
wait एक सेकंड मुझे ये लेना है
I'm not that easy
Bye.
मोटू पतलू की
Why are you taking their ass? That's so creepy, bro. Take it from the front now. Like if you really care.
भाई ऐसी fetishes है।
आओ रहा हो ना in front of the-
क्यों है ये? मैं नहीं इसका रिकॉर्ड कर रही।
I'll buy her a coffee.
She can buy it herself. Okay.
I don't doubt that.
उसने तेरे को कुल्फी खिलाई थी, वो वापस कब करेगा? भाई इसे अपने आप को भेजो, फिर हम बॉयकॉट
Please boycott this guy. This guy is a fraud.
Cancel.
Cancel him. Cancel him. Please cancel him, guys.
Okay, that
ये फ्री की
represents
मजदूरी
kindergarten.
करवा रहा है, फ्री की मजदूरी।
फ्री के काम कराते उसके बाद बोलते कॉफी दिलाएगा, और कभी कॉफी नहीं दिलाता।
Guys, it pays off. It pays off. Patience is the key. So this, what does this represent? This is kindergarten.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ
Bhai,
जी।
the closer I get to stage, na, the more nervous I get.
Back memories.
Cure your PTSD.
Nah, it's not about that. It's about me not playing the guitar. इतना पास आकर मैं
मैं
अपना
भी सेम, मैंने भी करा था कितना प्रिपेयर एंड
इतना
देन दे
पास आकर
कैंसल्ड
मैं
अस।
अपना लाइक ड्रीम पूरा नहीं कर पाया ना. It traumatized me so bad मैंने गिटार नहीं उठाया था उससे.
चलो यार,
हो गया।
हाँ, यहाँ से तेरे को नहीं लेना, राइट? यहाँ से तुझे फोटो नहीं लेना.
अभी लेना है, रुक जा। अब पकड़ो।
That's too big for you.
ओए समोसा खिला चल।
ये don't know that.
समोसा खिला चल।
भाई ये क्रीपी म्यूजिक क्यों बज रहा है पीछे?
तू इंटर कर।
गाइस समीरा समोसा खिलाने वाला है।
भाई मैंने बता दिया अगर तू रिकॉर्ड कर रही है.
भाई तूने भी कुछ तक क्लोज अप से लिया।
तू दोबारा ले. एटलीस्ट यूं मुंह पे तो नहीं आएगा.
भाई मेरे को तो यहाँ पे से लिया था।
समोसा खिलाने वाला है। ये दोनों मुझसे।
और
चल इसको हो गया और क्या देखना है?
हाँ, विल वॉक आउट ना. कम ऑन. तेरा कुछ नहीं गा रहा.
चलो चलो।
मेरा टाइम
You still had to come anyways. Whoa.
I didn't have
भाई
to.
बेस्ट तो स्टेज पे.
I didn't have to.
भाई बेस्ट तो स्टेज पे.
I support. जा स्टेज पे जा, देखो पीछे से करेंगे, तालियां बजाएंगे, PTSD की और
वो तो मेरा स्टेज पे गिटार बजाने से ही जाएगा. I've thought about it. But what is this? दिखाओ मुझे, पहले दिखाओ. भाई पहले दिखा दे.
जा, मैं कुछ ही लोगों को भेजती हूँ, दिखा देती हूँ। वेट,
What's this? वही सामने से हटो यार.
क्या कर रही है ये?
Guys, what is this? This represents a dick or what?
your brain.
Bro. Don't talk about my brain. तुम लोग इतना dark shit imagine करते हो ना, उसके बाद मुझे.
It's just the life of every female. You live around in constant fear.
वो देखो so cute. बस fear gone.
हाँ, तीनों रेड पहन के आए, कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं।
So like, are these guys
Artists?
artists?
No, I don't think so. They don't look like artists.
Why? Yes.
These guys are artists जो बैठे हुए हैं, जो लोग बैठे
Why?
हुए हैं।
Yes. Everyone's.
पूरी क्लास के बाद ही जाएंगे, आधा घंटा हो
तो
गया
हाँ ना, मोटू पतलू के सामने फोटो ले ली।
नहीं।
I support. Yeah.
एक ये क्या है?
Me paying you the favor back, ja.
और मैं अकेले थोड़ी हूँ।
क्या कौन सा
किसी के
गंदा
साथ,
पेपर है?
किसी के
अबे
साथ,
जा ना.
किसी के साथ तो
भाई मैं
नहीं
देखा
ना।
5 मिनट
We are here for you.
अकेले थोड़ी जाऊंगी।
We're here for you now. I'm here to
अभी
support you.
ताली बजा सब जाएंगे और इतने का
इसके लिए म्यूजिक भी बजा. 3, 2, 1.
मैं तो ऐसे
3, 2, 1.
मैं भी आ जाती हूँ।
ये इसका आने दे, इसका फोटो आने दे. देख ले कैसा आ रहा है.
क्यूट है।
Let's go.
चलते हैं। आशीष
देख लियो तो अरे ये ट्रेडिशनल ब्यूटी नहीं दिख रहा है इसमें।
ये तो देखा नहीं था कब तो आया।
ट्रेडिशनल ब्यूटी
ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है।
क्या My mom? God damn. आर्ट गैलरी में मॉम जोक एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था मैं।
ये कैंसिल देगा कैंसिल करेगा फ्री में काम कराता है लोगों को
सीरियसली फ्री में काम करो। नॉट द सेम।
It's called doing a favor, guys, and I did it back. And I did it back, guys.
ग्रेटफुल एट ऑल
Which one? Which one? Huh?
पीछे था कोई था।
What's he wearing?
He was wearing a ripped jeans and he was wearing a hoodie.
Bro, go ask him out now. At least ask कौन से कॉलेज से कौन से नहीं है ना?
वो रिकॉर्ड कर ये रिकॉर्ड कर
ये दो Don't tell me you already lost him. यार ग्रीन कुर्ता ग्रीन कुर्ता Yo, like, don't you think ये थोड़ी सुहाने की दादी है मेरी? I had to. किसका क्या है?
नहीं नहीं उसका
योर डैड
Imagine.
योर डैड
Oh damn. No. मेरे डैडी से ज़्यादा हाई लगता था
ही फील्स प्रीटी हार्ड
Now that seems like Ritika studying.
pretty.
now that feels like Ritika eating
That's like you guys working together or something. I don't know.
No,
Do you even work together?
no, I don't think so.
Damn. Am I getting some drama here, guys?
we
Are we
already
getting?
fun stuff together okay
I thought something was building up.
He's talking to someone. How can I just?
Guys, some Hitachi shit.
just casually go there record the edit and you're like oh have you made this
I was going to say that, but like he's already.
अरे जाना
No, but like she can't interrupt now.
And it's a very bad.
अभी तो खड़ी होता जाके और पेंटिंग को देखो नहीं मत देखो
वो तो like we are doing anyways ना. भाई ऊपर कोई पेंटिंग नहीं है. She's looking at the gallery. That's the wrong gallery.
भाई
ये क्या है?
thorns and then so that no one touches them it's like a case to protect
क्या ऐसे तो सब में होना चाहिए ना? That's
because
part
they're
of the art.
thorns
That's part of the art.
because they are thorns you get it
No, he does not. He does not have a brain, so yeah, he won't get it.
भाई it is okay
What does this mean? When I'm like,
हम तेरे
I
को
was-
copy
This
करा
looks
trying
like a
to figure
TikToker, no?
he has a childhood trauma
As
You
in-
think?
from
as in-
falling
Yeah,
from his
Yeah,
bike
you think that's some? That's this. Could be.
I don't know.
Bit of similarity then.
हाँ हो सकता है.
maybe
कौन-
it's him in the child
हाँ. कौन कंजंक्टिविटीज लग रहा है। कंजंक्टिविटीज पता है क्या होता है?
He doesn't have conjunctivitis. And why does
भाई
he
तो
have no
डायग्नोस कर ले
eyelashes? Wait, why does he have no eyelashes? That is concerning.
Yeah, no eyelashes. I don't know what does this mean.
Excuse me, you made all these?
No, not all of them. Just this one.
Okay, that's you. Does this show time frames or something or?
Oh yeah, this is
What
time
is this
passing by.
convey?
So what
This
is
is time passing by, and while the time is passing by, you've got your memories, right? You focus on your memories, you think about them, and then that leads to another thought, and that leads to another thought. This becomes the present. This is the past, and that's the future.
It hasn't formed fully. That's why it's a bit disfigured, yeah, not colored properly.
I haven't completed it.
Okay, but that seems like ना कभी future आया नहीं है,
हाँ नहीं है.
तो वो पूरा कलर नहीं हुआ.
वो भी हो सकता
And वो dark हो चुका है because वो past में. If you think about like that, नहीं?
है. Yeah, just think about it.
Oh,
Nice one.
गया यार.
That's a nice one.
भाई.
So basically, he's looking back because you rely on your past. Always, you can't look in the future.
Perfectly like summarizes an overthinker like me.
Yeah, I think a lot. I love thinking. That's the best thing.
Me too.
You talk to yourself. That's the best thing you can do. I sit alone outside. I talk to myself.
I create characters in my head out of nowhere. I can create storylines, but मैंने कहीं लिखता नहीं है, so.
You should try.
You make this also?
These are from Muskan. She's not even.
Are this created by all the Amatines only?
Oh, so you're an amateur.
Art department?
BFF. Fourth year. You're in fashion. You guys
No.
are in fashion.
B.Tech.
B.Tech.
First year.
I've seen you outside somewhere.
Oh.
I remember
On
that.
campus?
No, outside. Like at the.
Really?
I remember people.
Sameer.
Sreja.
Sameer. Really great. So do you have Insta?
Right.
Guys, can I? मेरा network नहीं आ रहा. Can you give?
It's Srijan_Mishra.
As a first year, this is the first time I'm seeing something like this.
Actually, we are witnessing it for the first time like this time.
Thank you. I tried.
Bro, you
Keep
won.
going.
What you wanted to show, you definitely did, and even more.
Are you in like third year or like first?
Fourth year.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Right में गई.
Good skills. Oh my god.
You have forgotten again that we have class.
I might have rinsed him off instead.
Yeah, you rest him up.
भाई बट स्मूथ हो है.
भाई smooth तो है बंदा.
He was like, I've seen you somewhere.
कल में मंडाला आर्ट वाले वो लेके आए खूब सारे बॉल उठा के गए थे आप देखने के लिए वहाँ
हाँ, sure, sure.
तो तूने रितिका को तो पे बैक कर दिया. मेरे को कैसे करेगा?
भाई वो साथ में हो गया.
अभी कल.
बात करवा देंगे तो बता दिया किससे करनी है. You seem like a nice guy.
He seemed like he had a girlfriend.
I no.
I don't know. He just.
Aye, so a nice person is like that. If he would have been dickhead, he would have been like he's too much. Nothing can. Why?
I mean, he's a nice dude, but I think क्योंकि majority हाँ मैं just
No, it's just about you
because
have.
other artists हो गए
artists
Bro,
stereotypes.
most of the artists that I know draw inspiration from their like girlfriend. They draw their girlfriend. All that stuff.
He seemed like he had a girlfriend till he seemed very.
भाई if he's in 4th year और तब भी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अ हार्ट ब्रेक देख रहे तो भाई लग रहा है That's up to you, bro. That's up to you to discover.
I am not following you.
I feel like बहुत restricted सा लगा मेरे को कि, you know, he wasn't interested.
Yeah, he didn't look at us. He didn't look at us. He was talking with him.
Because I was the one initiating and talking, na. When
I
you
was
talked, he was looking at you. मैं पीछे हो गया था तब. भाई, that is basic communication.
Oh, ये तो नहीं पता था.
Anyways, अब हम बोरिंग सी क्लास में जा रहे हैं guys.
नहीं जाना.
मेरे पे.
मुझे भूख लग रही है.
मेरा भाई पीछे ही था, but you know.
NDC got something out of it. NDC got something out of it.
What did I get? I didn't get anything.
You got his Insta.
What would I do with him? I don't know myself.
Oh my god.
I'm so very bad at this stuff. I don't know why.
But you are not confident.
Bhai, at least make a friend. You can always make a new friend. I'm leaving. Bye guys. Bye. मजा आया. And with that, my exhibition vlog comes to an end.
पंचिंग भी करना है